Good morning. My name is Jai Samtani. I'm an assistant professor in the School of Plant and Environmental Sciences at Virginia Tech. I'm based at the Hampton Roads Agriculture Research and Extension Center in Virginia Beach, and I am standing in front of my variety trial that we initiated this past fall. Um, it is funded by a specialty crop block grant administered by VDACS, Virginia Department of Agriculture and Consumer Services. And we have 7 short day varieties and 3 day neutral varieties in a replicated randomized design. And I'm going to show you some of the varieties that are still bearing fruits and have shown promise for our region. That is a Chandler plot. You can see the fruit size is getting smaller. It's towards the end of the season, and again a very popular variety in the South Atlantic region, an older variety from the 1980s, and we are looking at some of the newer varieties as part of the objective of this study. Next variety I want to show you is Albion. It is also a day neutral variety released by University of California, and you can see still we have some fruits towards the end of the season. Again, nice shaped fruits, fairly conical in shape, and it also has a good taste to it. It is fairly resistant to a lot of the different diseases, although we do see two-spotted spider mite inside the tunnel on Albion. Third variety in our trial is also day neutral San Andreas, released by University of California, Davis in 2009, and you can see the fruits are not as abundant as Sweet and Albion for this time of the year. It has a slightly lighter color fruit than Albion, which actually is one of its parent variety, and the fruits are conical in shape, fairly disease resistant, although we have seen anthracnose more on San Andreas in some years as compared to some of the other day neutral varieties. It's anthracnose fruit rot, and it is a variety that's suitable for fresh market processing and home gardens. This is a plot of Sweet Ann. It is a day neutral variety released by Lassen Canyon Nursery in 2014. It is still going strong. It's towards the end of the season. You can see the fruits are fairly large in size, conical in shape, and it is a good tasting variety, not as resistant to high rain. It has a thinner skin compared to some of the other varieties, so it doesn't take rain conditions as well. Merced is another variety that we have in our trial. It is a short day variety released by UC Davis in 2014, and it has done fairly well in our trial. The fruits have been larger sized, although now the size is getting smaller towards the end of the season. Very sweet tasting fruit. It has a good firmness to it, and it seemed like it's going to be a variety that's going to show promise in our region. Ruby June is another variety that we have seen success in our region. It's an early season to mid-season variety, so you can see not as many fruits towards the end of the season year, and it has been a variety that has gained a lot of interest with growers in recent years because of its flavor. Rocco is another variety that is showing promise for our region. It is released by North Carolina State University in 2018. The fruit size has gone down towards the latter part of the season. The yield is down, and it is an early season variety to mid season variety. So we've had some good data on Rocco this season, and looking forward to analyzing it